That was a startup of a 2005 Carrier heat pump.
Ice cold and sweaty. That's about outdoor temperature.
One and a half ton from 2005. The Goodman with a Copeland scroll compressor.
This is from 2010, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 2010, 1.5 ton.
Gibson that's frozen.
That is really frozen.
It's not good. Unlike all the other units here, this one is a straight cool. These other ones are all heat pumps. That's a 2012 air temp. With a Copeland scroll compressor. Lastly, here's a 2017 Goodman with a Copeland. Yeah. Thanks for watching.